What's up, streamers? I have another quick tutorial for you today. This is how you add links to your Twitch profile because, you know, you want it to look kind of professional, don't you? And have something for people to click on.
Right.
Let's go have a look. Okay, so we are over here on Twitch, and as you can see, I've got these beautiful little links here that go to all my social media and merch and Discord and that sort of thing as well. So I'm going to show you how to add those in. You're just going to hit the edit panels section and we're going to scroll down to here. I know it's a little bit small, but okay, so what you want to do is add in the title. So for example, we're going to use those square brackets here, and I'm going to add Twitter, and then you want to close it off just like that. Then underneath, we're going to put in curved brackets the link. So I'll grab the link and just copy that in there, and you want to make sure you close it off with another rounded bracket. Now, when you hit submit and turn off edit panels, you will see this is the one we just added. So it's really that easy, guys, and it makes your profile look a little bit better, and it also gives people clickable links on your profile as well, which you definitely want. I mean, clickable links, right? They're almost as good as the smell of cut lawn on a Sunday, I would say anyway. Okay guys, that's it for the tutorial, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't be afraid to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button, and come and join us on Twitch sometime for a bit of a party.